Hi Stan.
Ah! Cool, but who cares?
Yodel 7 Linda.
Hello everyone, welcome to the stream. We're gonna try to sleep. You guys keep me awake. You know the drill. You've seen the TikToks, you've seen the YouTube, you've seen the gabagoo. So I was about to go to bed. I know we couldn't Skype tonight, but that's alright. Good night, girl. I'll see you tomorrow. What a beautiful way to start the sleep stream. I hope that I really hope someone doesn't trigger Flashbang, because that was Oh my god, here we go, baby. The calm before the storm. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Thank you. Well. Hey Google, play relaxing rain sounds. Oh my god! Let me chill for like a minute, okay? Jesus!
I think his Stanley move every time he streams. I bust a nut. I can't help myself. He is just so hot.
Oh my god! What are the fucking odds? Come on! What are the odds? Come on!
9. Yeah, with that backflip though. It's very impressive how much story can fit into just a few seconds of video. A thief steals a girl's bag and she yells for help. At which point, her would-be hero shows up and says, "I'll save you." He then runs up the wall next to her and does a backflip.
The hero makes a The hero makes a black flip and then fucks off.
Wait a minute, I'm still black.
Oh my! Wait, I'm still black. Amaranth, is that you?
Magi.
Nye. Don't. Just don't.
Look at little Jim sleeping so soundly.
Magic.
Nye. There's no magic in the air. There's not gonna be any magic tonight. Kindly. Fuck off.
Ming Dynasty Pussy got me active.
Whoa!
Remember, the goal is the castle. Get to the castle. Who wants to go first?
time has come to another sleep stream. The biggest mistake of your life.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh yeah! That can't be fucking real. That was planned. The entire Twitch chat planned that for exactly that moment. That's a fucking joke. That's a fucking joke. Come on. The Twitch chat is a paid actor. Absolutely, the Twitch chat is a paid actor. Twitch paid all you guys to, like, you know, time things and tell me that we live in a simulation and all that shit. You know, Elon Musk making Tesla bots and all that kind of shit. I want to know, can a Tesla bot actually jerk me off? It could be pretty pog, to be honest. I would buy a Tesla bot if it could jerk me off. Yes.
Mommy?
No money.
Why you left me alone?
I didn't leave you money.
Mommy?
No, sorry, mommy. Sorry, mommy.
Please, come back.
Sorry, mommy. Sorry.
Don't leave me.
Sorry, mommy.
Someone is in the room.
Nah, fuck off. Fuck off.
FBI, open up!
Fuck off. Night. Night. Night.
It has shining eyes.
Night.
Mommy.
Night.
Mommy.
Night.
Please.
Night.
Mommy.
Night.
Don't cry.
Oh my god, fuck off! Fuck off! Jesus fucking Christ.
The Twitch chat is not a paid actor. I'm sorry to say. But there is just magic in the air. Asterisk, 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 asterisk.
I got a very big penis. Dun 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 dun, I put it in a Honda. Make it go poof like it's Cosmo and Wanda. What even is a Donda? Shit, it's his mama. These real disrespectful as shit. Donkey Konga. Oh yeah, you just got coconut balls. Tag all your friends to totally coconut ball them.